That heart-stopping feeling of hitting black ice can be terrifying. But what if you could give your tires the grip of a mountain goat and conquer winter roads? I'm about to show you how to install your own tire studs, but there's one critical secret to doing it right. First, you need the right tools. Grab a set of studdable winter tires which have pre-molded holes in the tread. You'll also need the correct size studs and the star of the show, a stud gun. Finally, a simple solution of soapy water is crucial for a professional job. Make sure your tires are clean and the stud holes are clear. Now for the secret sauce, dip the base of each stud in soapy water. This acts as a lubricant, allowing the stud to slide in perfectly without damaging the tire. Next, load the lubricated stud into the stud gun. Position the gun perfectly straight over a stud hole. This is vital. A crooked stud is a useless one. Apply firm, steady pressure and squeeze the trigger. You'll feel a solid thunk as the stud seats itself. The base should be flush with the tread, with only the carbide tip poking out, not too deep, not too shallow. Repeat this for every hole and you're done. You've just given your tires a serious bite upgrade for a fraction of the cost. If this guide helped you gear up for winter, show some love and hit that like button. For more DIY tips that save you money and keep you safe on the road, make sure you subscribe. Drive safe out there and enjoy that newfound grip.